when I need a new car, bro. Gosh, in Indiana is the place. Go there and get an ace. Ralphie B opened the first one in 1922. Wakarusa, Indiana is where they started their crew. Now in their 5th generation of being family owned. 104 years with a brand new tone. For your next car, go to Eby Ford. I promise you won't be bored. Their secret sauce is in the service. They never make you feel nervous. Eby Ford is so nice. You never feel like you're rolling dice. They treat you right, like family, you see. Eby Ford can set you free. Give Eby a try and see why they never make you wanna cry. No games, no tricks, no gimmicks. Others have tried to mimic, but Eby Ford is the real McCoy. You get in a car from them, it's pure joy. The car buying experience is so grand. At Eby, it goes better than planned. For your next car, go to Eby Ford. I promise you won't be bored. Their secret sauce is in the service. They never make you feel nervous. Oh, Eby Ford is so nice. You never feel like you're rolling dice. They treat you right, like family, you see. Oh, Eby Ford can set you free. Take it from me, or just see for yourself. Eby Ford gets it done and makes the experience fun.